plane breakdown. Cross the horizontal, plane breakdown. Cross the horizontal, plane breakdown. Cross the horizontal, plane breakdown. 3 more, and 2 more. Last one. Okay, so if you start it with it going in clockwise with your left, then you go across the top to the back, and then you plane break across the bottom. Decap, horizontal clockwise, and then plane break to vertical. Horizontal clockwise, plane break to vertical. Horizontal clockwise, plane break to vertical. Horizontal clockwise, plane break to vertical. And then with your right hand, still clockwise. So if you start in the back position out here, you go to the side, to the front, and then if you're gonna plane break into the 3D cap, you come across the bottom, front, plane break. Side, 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 front. If we did the 3D cap, we'd come across the horizontal and then vertical. Cross the horizontal, plane break down. 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 Cross the horizontal, plane break down.